Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Algoma University. So first you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top URL section, you simply need to type login to Algoma University. And after that, you can enter it. And right over here from the search results, the first top one that says Algoma University official website, and click on the login right over here. And you will be redirected to a page like this over here that says you are required with your email as well as your password. Simply type down your email and password. And after that, you can click on the submit button and then you will be logged in to your Algoma University. And if you have forgotten your password, then here's an option that says forgot your password in order to recover your password. So this is it guys. This is how you can log into your Algoma University. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.